What's up everyone? Today we're going to be doing Street Food Challenge and we have some special guests with us. We have
Jen
and Fred.
Yay!
We have visitors from LA and we're going to have them try a few Filipino street foods. The first thing we have is Kwek Kwek. It's a popular Filipino street food. Then we have Balut. The days vary. There's Balut which is 16 days and some people like their Balut 18 days. For dessert we're gonna have the Filipino turon, which is made up of banana, sugar and some jackfruit. Let's get to it.
What, should we just dump it in there? Or?
Yeah,
Alright.
it's level 1. I tell you man, it's level 1.
Alright, let's see.
I mean,
That's good.
That's good.
First, it's like really, you just taste like the bread coating at first.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you keep chewing it, it's like, hard boiled. Right?
exactly what Fred said.
what he said.
Yeah, because at first I didn't really taste the egg.
Uh-huh.
It just comes in later.
It's a very almost like really doughy.
Yeah.
Like yeah, on the outside.
Mm.
So it's pretty thick, and then it's just all of a sudden you get the pop of a surprise.
Hey,
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Have you guys had turon in LA?
Yeah, I have.
Okay, so it's not gonna fall. You're not gonna be.
Oh, it's delicious.
Okay.
For me, like, it's easily accessible in LA, but I've never actually tried it.
Okay. First time for
Yeah,
everything.
I have never tried it.
Skewer it, like, yeah.
There you go. Attaboy, Fred.
I can't.
Something tells me after eating this one, he's gonna want to run and he goes back to LA.
Yeah, actually, that's really good. I don't know what I was expecting from the texture at first. It was really good. It's really sweet and like crunchy. And... Okay, so I've been missing out a bit. So
I'll just bite off this end. I don't want to waste too much. This is a very large.
Serving, right?
looks good.
How small is the turon there?
I don't know.
No, not this big. This is really good.
Does it taste the same as what you can get in
I feel like actually the banana here is a lot sweeter and like more flavorful. Because the one that we have over there, like, almost just tastes starchy.
As they say, you
Just
save
give
the
us
best
that
for
for
last.
some
Now we're gonna try the balut. Have you ever tried balut before?
Yeah, I grew up with it. My grandpa taught me how to eat it, but his version was just like, you poke a little hole in it and you suck all the juice out, like no added stuff. And then from there you just chip away at the shell and he just slurped it all up. How do you like tell which one's on your pocket side?
Isn't it the wider end?
Like the
It is the wider
Yeah?
end. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So like when you touch it, you can already like get a feel. Okay.
It's balut. Yeah, it is.
okay.
It's balut.
As opposed to what?
it's a hard boiled egg.
I'm totally losing my nerve.
Fred shaking. What?
I had a lot of coffee.
Trembling.
It is salty.
Yeah.
Oh, that is spicy. Oh.
I know. And then you only put like what, two
Two
drops?
drops, yeah.
How's the soup?
It's actually really good.
Usually the chick settles at the bottom. It's always the juice, then the yolk, then the chick.
You slowly, peel into the egg to expose more of the chick, or at least, what was supposed to be a chick.
If you're a first timer. Okay, because like what I told you before, vinegar and salt's gonna be your best friend in this challenge.
This is the duck, right?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Go, Jen.
Oh, that's like nothing.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. It's
Oh,
like super
man.
baby.
No. Alright.
Just don't wet the shell. So how does it taste like?
It tastes like egg so far.
Yeah. Okay.
I think we should track the last
No,
one.
it's alright.
You don't see yourself eating one in the near future.
Maybe. Maybe it might grow on me. I can say I tried it. I was terrified of trying this, given all the stories that everyone said, but it wasn't as bad. I don't know if I would try it again, but if I had to, I wouldn't be so terrified of trying it.
So that's a wrap, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope our guests enjoyed the food. Make sure to leave us a like, follow us on social media, Sophi Inc. on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and on Instagram. Until next time, bye!